Alright, this is the first test run of the BC Thunder. No engine on it. Just got handlebars. And back tire is a small tire. No brakes either. Pretty bouncy. Alright, here's the BC Thunder Elite progress update. I tack welded my plate onto the two bars, as you can see, and just put the engine on, bolted it in, and that's how it's gonna sit. So there's enough clearance from the tire. From the back, it looks pretty good. Gonna put some bar on that. There's the other side. Clutch. It's right there, and then the chain's just gonna ride all the way, and I'm getting an adapter piece. It's gonna put this sprocket about right there. Just lines perfectly up. Yep, and then the front's just, I don't know if I have a storage thing, I don't know, it's a battery mount. So yeah. Alright, so here's the BC Thunder Elite, model 2013 walk around. It's not completed yet, but it's just about done. Just gotta paint it and put some brake calipers and stuff. Didn't get my fenders yet. They'll be coming. Gonna have the same design that the gas tank has. I got a 7 horsepower Predator engine, 212cc from Harbor Freight. Tires are 12.5 inches with a 6-inch rim, and they're 6 inches wide. I got just 2 reflector, no light in them because I blew out the LEDs. I fabricated my own hub adapter because the sprocket was too close there, and the brake caliper, which is actually under the bike right now, will just go right in there, and I'm cutting that out so it'll fit. And then I'm just going to take a chain tightener to tighten the chain up right there and just have an arm. Max torque, 12-tooth clutch. I got all the displays up here. Well, it's not strapped in yet, it's just kind of sitting there. But this will be the kill switch, which is this wire. And then this will be the headlight, which is this wire, and the battery is right there, and it'll just sit right there. So yeah, BC Thunder 2013 Elite. Alright, this is the BC Thunder model 2013 start and rev. And there we are. Alright, this is the BC Thunder Elite model 2013. This is the second walk around. The bike is non-drivable. It goes pretty fast. Acceleration is wonderful. And all I'm really waiting for is fenders and a new twist grip. Here's my switch panel. Gas tank's all nice. Here's the real fuel tank. I got my throttle control set up. This goes right through there. Up to the throttle. Sissy bar. That's gonna be the paint, black and silver. There's a drive chain. My 2-speed max torque clutch. Sprocket. There's 60-tooth brake calipers on. Everything back here is pretty nice. Had to weld my own flame, or fabricate my own flame hub to connect to the tire. So, it looks pretty good.